I think that we're very fortunate. We have some amazing people who I've been fortunate to work with over the years. It seems like every year our team gets better and better. Many of our team members have been here for a number of years and love what they do. And I think that it shows because of the attention to detail, the relationships that they build with patients, and the willingness to help at every step of the way.
I remember meeting Dr. Mendelsohn for the first time because it was at this filler training, and someone from out of town had come in, and we had some people here at the office. And what I loved was his enthusiasm and his warmth. I'm a very warm, touchy-feely person. You know, I've got people I've known for 25 years as patients. That's really meaningful to me, and I could sense that same kind of approach and intent in him as well. And it comes across.
I think that he has a lot of empathy and caring, aspect to his procedures and his patients that he treats. So that trickles down, and that tends to be a main aspect of all the providers together, that we really care. We really want to see our patients succeed.
Me and my wife came in and met with Dr. Mendelsohn, actually right here in this room. And as soon as we met him, we knew this was the guy. And I actually said, man, I wish this guy was our doctor, because he was just so pleasant and polite, and just had unbelievable people skills. And lo and behold, he became our doctor. So lightning struck, and we've been doing well for all these years.
When I first came in, I just felt so welcomed, and I could really sense just the generosity of spirit, and how seeing my first surgery with Dr. Mendelsohn, I'll never forget just how caring he was with his patients. And I've worked with lots of surgeons, and I can tell you they're not always that caring when they're at the bedside. It was so refreshing to see a surgeon that cares so much about how his patients are doing throughout their procedure, and of course the entire journey, pre-op, post-op.
I met Dr. Mendelsohn about 7-8 years ago. My story's a little different because I started out as an employee and then became a patient. I wasn't nervous for the first or second interview, but for some reason they're like, you're gonna meet with the doctor. And I'm like, oh my gosh, because to me, he was like, I was kind of starstruck. And as soon as he walked into the room and sat down at his desk, all the nerves went away and we just started talking. And I'm like, this is where I wanna work. This is where I wanna be.
When I first met Dr. Mendelsohn, a little intimidating. This office is beautiful. He's got great clientele, but he was so easy to work with. Very nice, very welcoming. Most doctors or surgeons are hard to get along with. They're very bossy and controlling, and Dr. Mendelsohn was just very easy and helpful and understanding, and taught us a lot at first, and he's just great to work with.
Meeting Dr. Mendelsohn, I realized quickly how kind and sweet and patient. I've always heard of surgeons being, a little rigid. I was pretty nervous, but I felt comfortable pretty much right off the bat.
Very nice, very, very nice, down-to-earth person. Very, strategic, very, likes things his way. And you could kind of tell that from first meeting him, which is awesome. And then, working with him for as long as I have, we've kind of loosened him up a little bit. He's kind of been like, okay, we'll do it your way instead of mine. But he still likes his way. But great guy, great man.
My first impression of meeting Dr. Mendelsohn is that he's just very kind and honest and passionate about what he does.